What's up guys, it's BD here and welcome to the AMD PC giveaway. So after my last Intel build, we got an overwhelming amount of people saying that I needed to try AMD. Well, Aorus and I heard you and we are back with another build. So today I will be building two AMD PCs. That's right. So I'll be building one that will serve as my build / streaming PC, and who knows, it might even become my main PC for editing after I test the performance. And then we're gonna do a second one, which Aorus has graciously allowed me to build and give away to one of my subscribers. So not only am I excited to see finally whether AMD is really the best bang for the buck when compared to my Intel build, but what makes me even more excited is being able to give away one of these computers to one of my lucky subscribers and make one of your guys' day, because you guys have shown me so much love on the channel. We're almost at 100,000 subscribers now and I could not be more grateful to you guys. So shout out to Aorus, who was nice enough to sponsor this build for you guys. So show them some love, because I myself am blown away by their generosity. I never thought I'd be in this position to do this for you guys, but now that I am, it feels amazing. Alright, so what's in the build, you might ask? We are going to go with the 8-core Ryzen 7 3700X processor and the Aorus X570 master motherboard. The cool thing about the X570 and Ryzen is that it is the first to have the PCIe 4.0 that has double the bandwidth of the PCIe 3.0. I can't wait to take advantage of this when storing all my huge files that I transfer on the daily to make these videos. I mean, I'm talking transfers of up to like 500 gigs for making these videos. They're also giving us the beast of a card, the Gigabyte 5700 XT graphics card. Can't wait to test that one. They've got the Aorus 16 gigabyte 3200 hertz RGB RAM that looks absolutely sick in the build. They've also given us the Aorus PCIe 4.0 500 NVMe SSD to take advantage of that Ryzen PCIe 4.0. You've also got the 750 watt power supply, and all of this is sitting in the Aorus AC300G case. And let me tell you guys, I was surprised by just how much space this case has. It's one of the nicest cases I've ever used in terms of like routing cables where they needed to be. It was just a simple process. It's a beautiful case. Look at that tempered glass on that thing. Are you serious? Overall, this PC is a beast to say the least. Now I will be doing more follow-up videos to this video detailing my experience after I spend a little bit more time with this PC to put it through its paces, so stay tuned for those videos in that series. Alright, so you might be wondering, okay, this PC sounds amazing, but how do I win this PC build by yours truly? Well, using the link provided below, you'll be able to enter to win this beast of a computer. You enter, of course, by subscribing to my channel and by following Aorus as well. You'll get more entries or chances to win by following me and Aorus on our various platforms. Easy enough. Also, I know some of you guys were asking if I could sign the case, and I can definitely do that if that's what you want. When you win, just let me know after we contact you. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, which you should, because we're giving away a freaking PC. Alright guys, it's been your boy BT. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.